Hey guys, it's me again. Hope everybody's doing okay. So today, that was so weird for me to say. So today I'm just gonna be cleaning out my fridge and kind of organizing it a little bit better, and wiping everything down, taking all the old stuff out, like that I know needs to go out. So I thought you guys might enjoy, because I really do like watching organizing videos and like cleaning out fridges and stuff like that. So I thought I would bring you guys along and show you guys the after. I may or may not do my freezer. There's really not much in there, so I'll probably clean a little bit out, but not too much organizing because it doesn't really have much stuff in there. But yeah, hopefully it turned out good. So first I'm just going to, here I am, take everything out. I'm just going to take everything out of the fridge and then wipe it down, and then may or may not throw stuff away while doing that or after, like when I put it in, so we'll just see. Okay guys, so this is everything. Ew, that's so gross. And usually I really do clean this out pretty often. It has been a while, maybe a month or so since I haven't done this last. But here's everything taken out before I wipe it down. And this is just from when I make soap, and soap spills out and comes in there. I didn't take every little thing out. This is the only section. I might still take this stuff out, just so I can wipe everything down, but here's everything before it gets cleaned. Oh, and then this is all of the stuff that I had in the fridge. Still going, still going. And then here's just a little bit over here. But yeah, that's everything I have in here. And we'll see how I'm about to start wiping everything down now. So it'll look. Okay, so everything is clean. Well, never mind, I lied. I gotta wipe these out. This I'm still gonna take out, but for the most part, everything is wiped down and all clean. Alright guys, I'm officially done. I'll kind of give you a little bit of an overview. It's just mainly like cheese. Well, it's only cheese and then organic eggs there. We have our drinks here. There's a little bit of corn that my daughter, she loves. She will eat nothing but corn if I let her. And then we have all of like our cheese and carrots and peppers and cilantro. And there's a cut of pineapple down there. And there's limes back there too. And then gotta restock her drawer. She usually has Jello and like little fruit cups. She doesn't really like applesauce, but there used to be fruit cups and stuff in here, and a lot more yogurt. So I gotta stock up on that. And then here is the rest of this. And that is it. Do you remember how full it looked? And now it's completely empty. But I am going to go ahead and just wipe through like these shelves in here. But there's literally not much I can do from here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will do a little bit more stuff like this. I'll do it for like our cabinet and well, mainly just our cabinet because that always needs to be redone. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.